In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clone any landing page and use it for your Shopify store in order to generate more sales. Now, before jumping straight into it, I would like to tell you that I manage $1 million per month on ads. And if your ad spend is below 10K per month, I've got nothing to sell you. So this is what I actually do for my own clients. This is straight value. I don't use any affiliate links for any of the tools that I'm going to mention in this video or in any of my videos. Let's jump into it. What prompted me to create this video is actually this ad right here.
What's one conversion rate hack that any store can implement right now?
Just make landing pages for your best performing ads. I think so many people don't realize how hard you can scale with landing pages. If you look at all of the biggest 8-9 figure brands, they all run to landing pages because they know that when you have an ad, that customer journey is completely different to someone who's coming from a Google Shopping ad or some organic. You need to complete that journey, and so the number one hack you can do for your brand is make a congruent landing page.
This is actually very true. Landing page can improve your ad performance quite a lot because it's basically an extension of your creative. You have to think of the landing pages as another way for you to convince the people that are seeing the ad to basically come and buy. People a lot of times think that we need to have a really fast checkout, so we go straight to the product page and then straight to checkout is going to be the best option because the fastest websites actually convert the better and you have fewer steps. But this is just one factor. It's not everything. It's far more important to actually convince the person that actually watching the ad to click and buy. And this is what you need to think about, convincing people to buy. And landing page do exactly that. It's basically, you don't rely solely on the creative to sell the product. The landing page does that too. So even though you install one more step into your funnel, it actually works better and it increases the conversion rate. With that being said, let's see how you can create your own landing page from scratch and have an amazing landing page at that. So the first thing that we need to do is basically find a landing page that we want to copy. For this particular example, I'm going to use North Organics. North Organics, they have a ton of landing pages, as you can see here, that they use. If you go to landing pages here, you're going to see a ton of them. But this is a paid tool. I use it. You don't have to. It's not necessary, but it helps a lot. I'm not affiliated in any way. And here you can see all the creatives and all the ads that they run. But of course, you can see that through the exact thing through Facebook ad library. So here you can see all the creatives, and if you click, you're going to see all their landing pages. One of the landing pages that I found that actually is one of the oldest ones, which means that actually performs really well, it's this one. For this particular landing page, we want to basically copy that for our brand. This is a really good landing page and the copywriting should be on point because it works. How we do that? For this particular tutorial, we're going to use Gem Pages. Gem Pages is a Shopify landing page builder, and you're going to need to go to your Shopify App Store, type Gem Pages and click on that, and then install the app. After you install it, what you basically do is you go and click here where it says create new page. You can select from multiple of pages that they have here. They have advertorials, they have pre-sold pages, landing pages, but we are not going to use that because I don't know if those landing pages are converting. If we copy from the competitor, we already know that those landing pages are converting. So it's better to copy another one. So what we do, we click start from scratch. After that, we click start, we click that button and we paste the URL of the landing page that we want to copy. The landing page that we want to copy is this one. So we just paste this one here and we click generate. After we click generate, we are going to end up with a landing page that looks like this. Now, we can edit everything, which has saved a ton of time because right now I can basically edit anything that I see here. And now it's the good part. How we copy the structure of the landing page so we can basically iterate that landing page to fit our brand. How we do that? We basically find our brand. Let's say this is a random brand that I have selected for us to basically create the landing page for that particular brand. And we also have ChatGPT. So what we do, we go into our Shopify store and we basically copy everything. How we do that? We hit Command on or Control A and we select everything and we paste it inside here. After that, we basically do that for other pages as well. So for our mission is super useful. We're going to copy that as well. Our story, copy that as well. And then we go into the product page as well. The collection page first, copy that as well. And then we go to the product that we want to advertise and we copy that as well. And then we say to ChatGPT, just type OK. This way we have a trained chat that we can use to generate images and text for our own brand. So now what we do, we go here. This is for North Organics and we want to do for our own brand. So what we do, we paste that and we say, rewrite this sentence for the brand above. Great. We copy that and we just paste it here. Now we want to copy this particular part and use it. Rewrite this paragraph the same length and style for the brand above. We write this paragraph the same length and style for the brand above. We copy that, we paste it inside here. And this way we basically go below and change everything. You don't have to think, you just follow the steps. Now, apart from the text, which is crucial, we also have the images, how we generate images. The same way, exactly the same way. We go into ChatGPT, we screenshot this image right here that we like, we paste it, and we go into our website, we screenshot the logo, we screenshot the product, and we paste everything here. Now you can basically speak with ChatGPT and tell it to recreate the same image in the beginning with the second product, have everything remain the same. It's going to be really, really easy. And then you click next and you generate the image. For example, this one is not the exact thing because my prompt actually sucked, but that's okay because we can use that. Like, we don't need to be very specific about the first image. So we use that image. It's going to be straightforward. You go here and you basically change, you find the image right here and you upload it. Simple as that. For images with people, you have to remember that all those images are generated using AI. So you can keep your name the same and also the image the same. This is AI generated for sure. For those particular images, you can basically recreate that again using AI, using ChatGPT, and everything you see right here, you can basically edit it and you are going to end up with an amazing landing page that works really well. The last thing that I would like to mention is with these comments right here, it's going to be more difficult to actually create them. So I have a tool for you. What you have to do is use this tool, which is called Edit Anything. So basically, what it does is you can go into a Facebook. So what you can do is basically, first of all, screenshot this text, you import to ChatGPT, and you say, rewrite this comment for the brand above, everything the same. So you have the comment exactly the same that you can use for your own brand. And now what you need to do in order to create this visual right here, you go into facebook.com, you go into a random comment right here, and you basically open the Edit Anything. And here you basically copy the text, and then you change also the name, and then you screenshot that. And you use this image for your own landing page. Simple as that. Now, if you want to learn how you can clone any landing page, this is the video. If now you want to have an overview of what a really good landing page looks like and basically how to rewrite a copy or how to write your own landing page, I've created this presentation for you and I'm going to go through it right now in order to, if you want to learn how to write a really good landing page. So first of all, every landing page is going to have a traffic source, and I don't want to actually start with this presentation because I don't want to waste your time. Let's analyze a little bit what this is. So every landing page that you are going to have, it's going to have a traffic source. The traffic source is most likely it's going to be paid ads. For example, as you can see here for this particular brand that we copied, they have so many ad creatives that we run, and all of them, like most of them, are AI generated, but still it works. So the traffic source, we have it. Now, the most important part of the landing page is actually the headline. The headline is super important. That's why when a lot of people iterate the landing page, they change the headline first, which is super crucial. But if you are not seeing the results that you want from your landing page, basically you are unprofitable by 300%, changing the headline is not going to skyrocket your results by 3 times or 5 times or 10 times. It's going to have a mild increase of 20%, 50% maybe. So if your landing page is not performing, don't just change the headline, change everything. You need to come up with different angles, and when something works, then you optimize it. Now, after the headline, of course, we have the problem. We introduce the problem. We all know that few people, they truly have problems. We basically convince them that they have the problem through the landing page, and basically we tell them that this is the problem. We remind them that they have a problem, or we convince them that they have a problem by showing the problem to them. After that, what we actually do, apart from after the mechanism of the problem, we go to the mechanism of the solution, which is the ingredient that we have in our products. It's not our product, it's the ingredient that we have in our product. So this is what we tell them, that this is the solution from the problem that we remind them that they have. And after that, we introduce the product, basically, and we start giving some key benefits and features of our product. Of course, here we typically add like the first call to action, and after that we go into the visual support, showing images before and after, and also some social proof with some reviews, and then again we have a call to action. So this is the basic premise of a landing page, and because it's difficult to recreate that and write copy based on that, that's why we copy already existing landing pages with the same structure that I showed you how to do it, because this way we're going to have that and much more without us need to think about it, because their copywriter had thought about that. So this is the video. Thank you very much for watching, and if you liked it, please click thumbs up.